In this video, I'm going to talk regarding Hostinger hosting plans along with two of the finest discount coupon codes to get an amazing discount when you buy your hosting from Hostinger. Just make sure to click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive link, you will be landed to a page like this, but you have to move on to the pricing so I can discuss regarding Hostinger hosting plans. For those who don't know, Hostinger is one of the finest companies all around in the world with an amazing reviews. If you I go back to the main page, you're gonna see that Hostinger has an amazing reviews on Trustpilot. They are one of the industry's best web hosting company with so many features, industry's own control panel, amazing security features. 4 million plus people are using Hostinger as their primary hosting company, and there is a special discount running right now for Hostinger family. So if you want to be the part of the family, make sure to click on the link in the description and then follow the process. So once you land over here, you may see that these are the three most popular plans. Now country specific, you may see a special discount, a special fourth plan as well. But if you look around in the plans, the best thing about all of the plans is that you are getting SSD or NVMe storage, making it a very fast option. Instead of a regular hosting, they either offer you SSD or NVMe. NVMe being the best, but SSD is also equally good. And the premium benefits you are getting with all of the plans, including free domain, data backup. If you simply select the compare plan, you may be shown a detailed comparison of all the features. You are getting free 7-day Hostinger Horizon, Hostinger website builder is included, free domain, 2 free domain is also included in the cloud startup plan. You are getting automatic website migration, so in case if you're coming from another hosting company, the procedure is quick and easy. You are getting mailboxes, unlimited SSL, weekly backups, WooCommerce for your e-commerce transaction, AI SEO tool for your SEO services, free CDN network to make your website even fast loaded, plus you are getting dedicated IP with cloud plan only, and you are getting priority support as well with cloud plan only. However, the business plan and premium plan are also very equally good, and I started from the premium plan and moved on to the business plan later on. I found both plans to be very good. Again, the best thing is that 30 days money back guarantee is included in all of the plans. Now these are the web hosting plans. If you only look for the website builder, now the website builder is also included in the web hosting plan, but if you only want to get the website builder plan, it's at $3.99 per month. You are getting a lot of features as well, but even for website builder, my recommendation is to offer the web hosting to get the maximum discount. Now Hostinger Horizon is a new thing hosted by Hostinger, where you bring your idea into life by just writing the code. If you are going to ask create a portfolio website and start for free, and it's automatically going to create your website, and you may see the designs they have created. So it's very easy to use. Even a beginner or a newbie can use it without any hassle or issues, making it a very fast option. So apart from Horizons, Hostinger also has VPS hosting. So you may see they offer you 4 VPS plans. You can choose any as per convenience. The best thing is that every plan has 1 Gbps network speed, firewall management, weekly backup, NVMe storage, EPYC processors, public API. So a lot of features are included, and even the coupon code I'm going to tell you works on VPS hosting as well. So this is for domain only service, and if you want email and marketing service, they have their own Hostinger service, where you can manage your email campaigns with Hostinger, starting at $1.99. And if you look around the different subscribers option, you can offer it 10,000 to 50,000 subscribers as well, depending upon your goals and marketing. So you can also look for email marketing, and this is their special fast VPS service. So in case if you want the N8 VPS, you can offer this plan. But however, they are expensive, but they are definitely a price for money. Plus you are getting all these features at no extra cost, including automatic backups, optimized performance, Linux operating system, 30 days money back guarantee, 24/7 support. So for any plan, make sure to click on the link in the description, and I'm going to tell you how you can apply the coupon code to get this discount on, again, any plan. These coupon codes works on any plan. Make sure to click on the link in the description because they are especially for my audience. So let's say we are going to the premium plan. Simply select the choose plan with this one, and once you select the choose plan, you may see that we are moving to another page. So now you may see that this is a special shopping cart, and you may see a special discount is running for my audience, and I'm already logged into my account, but you may be asked to log into your account. After this, select your billing periods. Hostinger offer 4 billing periods: 1, 12, 24 and 48 months. I recommend people to offer the 48 months because you're getting 2 months free extra, plus you're getting a free domain and free setup extra. So these are add-on additional, making your discount up to as far as up to 91% if you just follow the 48 months formula. But again, you can offer the 1, 12 to 24 months as well, because the coupon code are valid for those months as well. After you select your payment period, scroll below, select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with the special discount link, and once you apply over here, you are going to see that your price is going to get a further discount on already running discount deal. So if for a revision, 10% from here, free domain, free setup, free domain, 3 months extra free. So you are getting a lot more features for just for free with Hostinger. So make sure to click on the link in the description, guys. This is a special offer for my audience only. Now there is another coupon code as well. So you can use either of the coupon code to grab this amazing discount. So once you apply over here, you may simply select the continue, and you can even be asked to log into your account over here as well if you're not logged in. But since I'm already logged in, I'm moving to the last part, and I can see my order summary over here. My coupon code is applied. Now write your billing details over here. The procedure is quick and easy. First name, last name, country, phone number, address, city, province, zip code, and after this simply select the continue and move on to the last part of doing payments. Now Hostinger offer you variety of payment methods, guys. You can pay by card, PayPal, Apple, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGate. You have so many options to choose. You can choose any as per your convenience, guys. It's very easy. For CoinGate, it's your crypto payments, so you can use any. So let's say we're going to the payments, the credit card, write your credit card details and simply select the submit button. And guys, within few minutes, you're going to get an email from Hostinger with all of your account details. So just for revision, the procedure is very quick and easy. Even a beginner or a newbie can use this method strategy to create their Hostinger account with a special discount deal. So make sure to click on the link in the description and be the part of 4 million plus Hostinger family. And even I'm using Hostinger from the last 4 years, and I highly welcome you to be the part of this. Thank you for watching. Good luck.